Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're making an amazing Pollo Asado with a Mexican Escabeche on the Burch Barrel with some mesquite wood. The first thing that we need to do is put together a great marinade for the Pollo Asado, and these are the steps. Start by adding 1 whole garlic bulb to a mixer. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of Achiote paste. Then we wanna take a can of Chipotles in Adobo sauce, add 2 Chipotle peppers, and about 2 teaspoons of Adobo sauce as well. We're also gonna season the marinade, so we wanna add 1 teaspoon each of cumin, allspice, and black pepper, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 3 teaspoons of coarse sea salt. Now it's time to add some tanginess to it. We want to half and squeeze the juice from 3 oranges into the mixing bowl, and also have 3 limes and squeeze the juice from those as well. Finally, we want to add about half a cup of olive oil. Then it's time to turn on the mixer and blend thoroughly. We're going to pour this marinade over some chicken quarters, and we're going to put these in the fridge to marinate overnight. Now we want to put together the Mexican Escabeche, so here's what we're going to do. We want to start by heating up half a quart of water. Next, we're going to add 3 large carrots that we peeled and thinly sliced. Now we're going to boil these carrots for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to add 1 yellow onion that we peeled and sliced. We're also going to add 4 jalapeno peppers that we thinly sliced. Next, we want to season this with 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. We need to add 6 garlic cloves that we thinly sliced. We also want to add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Finally, we're going to add 2 bay leaves and season with a little bit of salt. Then we're going to let this boil for 2 more minutes. And next, we're going to let it cool for about 2 to 3 hours. Then we're going to put them in a jar and place it in the refrigerator overnight. It's been 24 hours. The Pollo Asado has been marinated, so it's time to light the Burch Barrel and get to grilling. We're going to start by filling up a chimney starter with some Jealous Devil lump charcoal. Then we need to light a fire starter and place the chimney on top of it. When you see plenty of flames above the chimney starter, it's time to dump the charcoal in the Burch Barrel. First, we're gonna place the chicken quarters bone side down. And then we're gonna grill them like this for 3 to 4 minutes. Then we wanna flip them over and continue grilling for another 3 to 4 minutes. You can also baste them with a little bit more of the marinade. Now we want to flip them back and forth and keep grilling until they get a good char and a nice color. When they have a good color, lower the lid, secure it, and lift up the grates. This is when we add the mesquite chunks. And you want to add 5 to 6 mesquite chunks. Now we're going to smoke the chicken quarters like this until they reach an inner temperature of 165 degrees. When they're ready, lower the lid and remove the chicken quarters from the grill. Then it's time to serve them with the Mexican Escabeche. And that is how I make my grilled Pollo Asado with a Mexican Escabeche on the Burch Barrel. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. It smells amazing. Oh man. That chicken is so flavorful, and then you have the pickled veggies. This is really good. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling. That is so good.